Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 heart-healthy foods that you should include in your diet. Eating healthy is important for maintaining a healthy heart. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, but it can be prevented by making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. Number 1. Salmon. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which can reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride levels. You can try baking it with some lemon and herbs for a delicious and healthy meal. Number 2. Blueberries. They are packed with antioxidants and fiber which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. You can add them to your oatmeal or smoothie for a tasty and nutritious breakfast. Number 3. Oatmeal. It is high in fiber and can help lower cholesterol levels. You can try adding some nuts and fruits for extra flavor and nutrients. Number 4. Dark chocolate. It contains flavonoids which can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. You can enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a healthy snack or dessert. Number 5. Tomatoes. They are rich in lycopene which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. You can add them to your salad or sandwich for a fresh and healthy meal. So there you have it. The top 5 heart-healthy foods that you should include in your diet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks.